Fiverr works best when you package a service. Upwork works best when you apply for ongoing work, and Freelancer sits in the middle but often depends more on bidding competition than platform demand. By the end, you'll know which platform actually gets you clients faster, which one pays better for beginners, and which one is hardest to break into in 2026. Start with how each platform works, because that decides everything. Fiverr is a listing platform. You create a gig, like logo design or video editing, and buyers come to you based on search and ranking. Upwork is an application platform. Clients post jobs, and you send proposals to get selected. Freelancer is a bidding platform. You compete directly against other freelancers by placing bids on posted projects. Now look at how fast beginners usually get work. Fiverr can be slow at the start because new gigs have no visibility. Most new sellers wait until they build reviews before getting steady orders. Upwork can feel faster if your proposals match what clients want. But beginners often struggle because clients usually choose freelancers with strong history first. Freelancer often gives early access to projects, but you compete against many low-priced bids. That can push beginners into underpriced work just to win jobs. Now look at earning potential. Fiverr earnings depend heavily on how you structure your packages and add-ons. Higher earnings usually come from repeat buyers and higher-tier service bundles. Upwork tends to pay better for long-term contracts and hourly work. Clients on Upwork often return for ongoing projects instead of one-time tasks. Freelancer earnings vary the most, because pricing is driven by competition in each bid. Some projects go very low, especially in oversaturated categories. Now the key difference most people miss. Fiverr works like a storefront that compounds over time. Upwork works like a job marketplace where your profile acts like your resume. Freelancer works like an open auction where price pressure is constant. Now, the simple breakdown. Fiverr is best if you want passive incoming orders over time. Upwork is best if you want higher quality clients and longer contracts. Freelancer is best if you're willing to bid aggressively for early experience. Next step is simple. Pick one platform and stay consistent for at least 30 days, so the algorithm and clients can actually respond to your profile activity. If you want more clear breakdowns like this on freelancing and online income platforms, subscribe for direct comparisons without the confusion.